What if that late-night snack is doing more than adding extra calories? What if it's quietly interfering with your body's ability to repair itself while you sleep? Many people think of nighttime eating as a weight gain issue, but emerging research suggests the timing of food may also affect how efficiently your body recovers, heals, and regenerates overnight. Sleep is often described as the body's maintenance period. During the night, countless repair processes become active. Damaged tissues are restored, hormones are regulated, and cells undergo critical maintenance. But when you eat late at night, your digestive system receives a new assignment: process incoming food. Instead of focusing fully on restoration, your body must divide its resources between digestion and repair. Your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, coordinates many biological functions. As evening arrives, metabolism naturally slows. Hormonal signals begin preparing the body for sleep and recovery. Growth hormone levels increase during deep sleep, supporting muscle repair, tissue healing, and cellular regeneration. At the same time, insulin levels are typically lower, creating an environment that encourages maintenance and restoration. This carefully timed sequence has evolved to help the body recover from the wear and tear of the day. But timing matters. When you eat late at night, especially foods rich in carbohydrates or sugar, your blood glucose rises. In response, your pancreas releases insulin to help move that glucose into cells. The problem is that elevated insulin can disrupt some of the hormonal conditions associated with nighttime recovery. Rather than remaining in a repair-focused state, the body shifts attention toward digestion, nutrient processing, and energy storage. Think of it like a maintenance crew scheduled to repair a building overnight. If a large shipment suddenly arrives at midnight, workers must stop repairs and unload boxes instead. The repair work may still happen, but it becomes less efficient. Over time, consistently eating late may affect recovery in several ways. Some studies suggest it can interfere with metabolic health, reduce sleep quality, and alter normal circadian rhythms. Poor sleep alone can impair tissue repair, immune function, and physical recovery. For athletes, busy professionals, and anyone trying to optimize health, nighttime eating may create an additional obstacle to feeling fully restored the next day. This doesn't mean a single bedtime snack will ruin your health. The concern is the repeated pattern of eating during hours when the body is biologically primed for recovery. Your body performs some of its most important healing work while you sleep. By limiting late-night eating and allowing digestion to wind down before bedtime, you may give those repair systems a better opportunity to do their job. The next time you're tempted by a midnight snack, remember, your body might already be busy rebuilding, repairing, and preparing you for tomorrow. And sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do for recovery is simply let it work uninterrupted. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and share it with someone who reaches for late-night snacks.